just saw the police. I saw the fire truck and the police and the Infinity. I saw Vermont too. I saw L for Lexus for loss. I saw Subaru. I saw Vermont. Saw the fire truck. Saw the police. Saw Infinity. And you know we see Grandmaster Tesla, the Grandmaster. You see him in all sorts of different colors: blue, red, black, white. Man. Grandmaster Tesla. Then, yeah. That's about it, man. I'm here. I'm here inside. Here inside. Only thing to do is cook my wholesome food. I don't need to eat a lot. I'm losing weight because when I was at that 3 month, I was being fed like 3 times a day, but then there was always stuff available. If there's always stuff available, I wasn't taking care of myself. I should have been cooking my own stuff. But it wasn't that tasty. Like, it was healthy. I think they were going for like a balanced, healthy. But it wasn't that appetizing. It wasn't that tasty. That's the only, like, I would rather have something that I look forward to eating than something that's gonna get thrown out. Because all that shit gets thrown out. It's like, you should have it more like a more tasty option, because it's gonna get thrown out. Like, you know how much food gets thrown out just because people don't want to eat it? Like, you might as well just make it tasty so that, you know, people consume it. Because, yeah, I don't know, figure it out. I didn't eat a lot in there either. Sometimes I was nitpicking at the meats. I ate the meats only, and then I threw everything else out. Man, whatever. I wasn't cooking my own food. That's what it was.